Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your ride history on Lyft. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your ride history, see which places you've been to, where you've been dropped off. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Lyft, then click on You on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Ride History. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and see your ride history on Lyft. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your ride history on Lyft. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.